Me apart from 2 billion, 10 billion, 5 billion, 1 billion, you pay me free me hono. And you may work in soon na one side. But me jumana me brenna me this esikanemano me nya esikane wa asole dem. Asole dem collection offering ne susha. Etimi timi kan nyina momu ma ba akofo na wonua bi ote won so ne ho nya den. Enkyere no. Enti na last me ka kasa bi say onipa wa ye adwuma wa bre a wonya esika no onche ne bumbum saa sanity age de wa mmere no ye den onya je wa mmere wonya de wo che ne bumbum pa wo bre na wonya wusika onche ne bumbum but wonya ne fofofo de a na wo be che ne de bumbum fofofo me ka sai rade ma munyansa mo betemase because I have so education school sanity.
Wow. That's word of wisdom by our father. In this world, we start everything gradually because a child does not start walking before he comes back to crawl. It's the other way around. A child begins to crawl before eventually he can walk. Everything should start on a very small note. And by and large, it will enlarge. It will become very, very big. So that is how it is. Start something small and it will become very, very big. That is how it is. So anybody who comes to tell me something, if I can afford it immediately, if I can grant it for him or immediately, straight away, I will do it. If it is beyond me, then I'll work it spiritually and that person will receive it. That is how it is.
And many bank for ayejuma check. Inti say check if you am the memo biano. Ombeyi in the name of me obini midim. Bank of Ghana the mra abase untimi nyisika moro 5,000 Ghana 50 million. Yeah. But me mitimi sign 100 million boom, 200 million boom, 150. Tina more than me 15,000 boom. Mitimi sign 50,000 boom. What the banks is here? Omunim say you open him check, but ombeti me yama. Omo frame kra. No answer me ma test. Omo say my mobi check is umbe yama. E woman say Bank of Ghana the mraba say untimi nyom 5,000. But omo yan to say omo yan transaction. I saw more transfer if you account man. I'm transfer to be account. So omo me dini yan direct. To bo me say check obi ti abonta wan want to say. Entina so for my check and say mo hwe me say bom 2 billion. And no nyansani bi ante ho na ase. Mo say no some me say bom 2 billion.
Yeah.
Okoyan kom be yam and cash. Komin mo bi am sign 300,000, 3 billion. E de man na me to ade afri no. Okoyan no mo de man cash. Tie yes ade no. Eti me no se rade kasa chem na me sign check bom 50,000. Okon be yam ho. O me nti said ye me na maba wa me transaction na me yakoya ade. To mo de mimi din ne be yi. Cause me mo message say my mo bi check sanity.
I Angelo Binim, I started doing business with banks so many years ago. So any check that I issue to anybody, you won't encounter any difficulty. Even though the Bank of Ghana has issued an order that nobody should issue a check that is above 5,000, which is 50 million. But I Angelo Binim, I can issue check that is far above that, 10,000, 20,000, whatever. But the moment you send the check to the bank, I will just text them and they will issue the check straight away to you. Sometimes I give more check. That's why in the case of these ladies, I signed the check 15,000, was 150 million straight away. And when they went with the check, they cashed it for them. That is how it is. So with reference to blow, that is Sofo Banski, that is what I did. I signed the check straight away, 2 billion straight away. If he had taken this check to the bank, they should have given him the money straight away without any difficulty. I quite remember one day I signed a check to a tune of 3 billion, 300,000 Ghana. When the person took the check to the bank straight away, they cashed it for him. So that is how it is. It's a way of business transaction. So anybody that I do this straight away, when you go, you work it. So these ladies, I'm saying, I'll continue to monitor them, and the money that I've given to them, it will multiply and then grow and become
more. Say, Enra say, me send 180,000.
That's right.
1.8 billion. Me san bomu bako.
That's right.
Tema ya sore dan na yesi awie na ye boso no.
Yeah.
Enchansen estimate omo de brɛ ye no no. Me san bomu bako.
That's right.
Me mani mmiri wo bi anhyira da.
Apu.
Debi ameka me se me pese me to aeroplane 5 for kra metima yere.
Ubetima to ndeya.
Se me pese me to aeroplane 5. Me nyi low.
Dabi.
Muntie me twi no se me pese me to aeroplane 5 wa. Me gina he ana me tie metimi atisika to aeroplane makomako say
5.
Ba me nyi low.
Yeah.
Me wo sika da ho a metimi de ato aeroplane 5.
Yeah.
Ana me wo properties bi wo ho a metimi ato me properties be 2. E dey akoto aeroplane be 3 or 5.
That's right.
Me was so many properties. Me pancho asema me kare monte de me pesa me kanase. Minim aeroplane price and the minim efie price and the minim car price. Me want properties bebree bi wo ho a metima ton emu 2. Me ton emu 2 na metim ya ton aeroplane kura be 3 and 5 and 2 kura. But me no me see Jesus Christ and frame me say me ye mfa o se me mra me hyira mo.
That's right.
Ti me dia ne se me hyira mo sa.
Amen.
Because I me beji hyira ni nyina fa. Enye ne frɛ Awurade frɛ me se me mra be ye.
No.
Eti me di me lem aye me lem adwuma.
Sa pepepe.
Etu wo dem wo de open me bia ma wate.
I receive it.
Me di sika ne mema wo sa. Awo ne aware ne ayalesa ne efie ne cars ne ablochire no. Me wakia ma wo sa.
Amen.
Maybe the answer being a craby and I'm a issue.
That's right.
Now, maybe the Akane was rather Sam.
Amen.
If you believe it, clap for Jesus.
Amen.
Because baby, baby, fanko baby.
Oh.
There was a word Radema baby.
I receive
Now,
my
because I
own.
was like I said, I receive it.
I receive my own.
Ubenya was so no dear why.
Amen. Now you listen. If I mean to buy 5 aircraft today, not tomorrow or the next day, as I'm sitting here, I can afford to buy 5 aircraft because I know their prices. I will never go in for any loan. No. I have a lot of properties that I can lease some of them, get money, and then buy. I know the price of aircraft. I know the price of a house. I know the price of a car. That's right. If even I will never dispose of any of my properties, I have money being deposited somewhere that I can use to buy this aircraft. Angelo Binim, I don't lack anything. God has blessed me in all areas. But I won't keep the blessings upon myself. No, I won't do that. If I do that, then I'm trying to deviate from my calling. I'm there to bless you because your wish is my command. If I bless you, then I become free. So it is my wish that all these blessings that my Father Jesus Christ has blessed me, I will make sure you also be blessed. You also receive what you are yearning for. So with effect from today, expect what you want, and I, Angelo Binim, I will also transfer some of these blessings. Then you receive them and you will be free. That is what I was called upon to do. That's right. Anybody who hates you, no matter what you do, he will never be pleased with it. Amen.
Because what time for the year? We be papa be our cry and
that's right.
Tell you what if you will time for the show. Nay idea will ever
Amen.
What you shall be.
So those of you who are here, please, no matter what you do, it will never please your enemies. So always put your mind off. Stay away, put your mind off from your enemies, and then do what will please you. Because no matter what you do, it will never, and it can never please your enemies.
And the real sense so send nipa baako for children na adwen say wotaaw ope wasem ompe wasem otaaw onipa baako bi a children na adwen wo fie o area o adwumam kan mu trotro radio so TV so internet so baako fo bi a kana asem kana adwen a eyo no nko adwen ne wo ka etaya susu mane hawo said you are baako no so ye baako.
That's right.
Oye baakufo te ba baakufo mfa na ne baako adwen ne me bi te wo so no wadwen.
That's right.
Onfa na adwen na so fa wadwen.
That's right.
Onfa ni gidie na so fa ogidie.
That's right.
Menya de a wo beka se me ya de a me tamfo beka bi ama me. Wo ya de papa kura won ka bi ma wo.
That's right.
Wo ya dan a wo taw.
Yeah.
Forget your enemies and do what will make you happy.
That's right. That's all.
Up to date, Jesus Christ has enemies.
Sure.
Bepim ne kwa Yesu wo tamfo.
Yeah.
Head your town, wo ya dan a wo dey.
What out?
Time.
Wo ye bibi a ye de mema woni agye o.
Yeah.
Enka se wo bi. Me koto dan, me koto ofie wo Dubai. E yo bi ti na me koto ofie.
Debbie.
Me koto e because of say mani beje.
Sir.
Me koto dan wo America. E yo bi ti na me koto dan wo America.
Debbie.
Me koto dan wo Germany. Obi ti na me koto ofie wo Germany.
Debbie.
No way.
Spain.
Me koto dan wo London UK. Obi ti na me koto e.
Debbie.
Light and light.
The last one dia me to was Spain. Obi ti na me toy.
Debbie.
Efia me tim wo Kumasi. Enyam na me see you. Obi na see ye. I was a ni baby. Aisha. E na see ni fie na me tese wo ton me kwahwe na me fe. E na me toy na me tu free. Asore da ho. Na me ti ma asore da na me tu fa na me kotena ho. E obi ti na me koto sa fie.
Debbie.
Enye Ghana ha na sebi Jimmy wo krom ha. Kamini se obi to mobile phone kra ye timi di hye obi se e yase mesinti na we akoto ade we.
Oh.
Krom ha Jimmy ndi. Ana Cristiano Ronaldo ne ka wato ni fie a wato ene ne team a wobo no. Eye Messi nti na wo yesa.
Debbie.
Ana se eye Robinho se Robinho se ho anti na wo yesa. Sebi Ghana ha no emudu do ne Jimmy for the doors do.
Sir.
Obi dress kra na ya show obi say we eyase mesinti na we ya dress. No obi antimi kire na adwen. Say eyase mesinti na ase mesi akoto car. Ase mesinti na ase mesi akoto plane. Ase mesinti na ase mesi so bo life. Ase mesinti na ase mesi aso ne dan. Eyase mesi. Eno se sebi Jimmy sem ne free hen. Edu baby no obi kasa wa wonu nyansa chinipa no na ben kasa masa wo Jimmy sister wo Jimmy so nyansa na kromu an obi aye ne nani be yen
Ebeje.
And despite mu be radio station ni TV station no e obi ti na obi ebie
Debbie.
akwasitwu mu a obi multimedia obi Adum TV ne fence Adum FM ne ho a multimedia group no ono so be kasa despite nti no yensa
Debbie.
the whole Ghana
Yes.
many suffer me be a TV first.
Yeah.
The whole Ghana, what Pamukobusa, K90 for the SES for. The whole Ghana Kromuha, many software me be a TV first. Me be a Yana, Zoe, Kevin, and should be a second. And me Papa Duncan Williams, and so the about 10. And me Papa Ajana Sale, and so the about 4th. And sana software Kayede. Me na me be a TV station first. OBTV. Obinim TV. And sana software ni nyina bie. Omo babo mu din ya software. Me be a na Kevin. Ebie Zoe. Sana me Papa Bishop Ajana Sale mo Precious TV ne Dominion TV. Me Papa Don Kabula so be. The whole Ghana many software me be a TV first. Mo pa mo nko Knet. Kobusa ana monko SCS sofo be na be TV first e wo Ghana ha eti obi ni be TV station na sofo bebre bia eti ka me se betima babonten se me bi enti na sofo ni nyina bia no mani bere me ana me ma sofo pressure me ma sofo bi pressure se me be TV enti no me ma sofo bi pressure se sofo no so me TV ni bi but I mo se kromu ha no obi tompa bo akwa etimi ka se we are tompabu ema we pressure. No obi abe kan kwase ase me no obi so te wona waje adi. No obi tro na adwun. And I can make us say ka be a TV ne ka man go for pressure.
Yeah.
And na software be a TV wo krom wo mo 40.
Oh yes.
Kumasi asofo, Kumasi asofo ebu Kumasi asofo. Enya akra o. Enya akra. Me ka Kumasi asofo.
Yeah.
A deep for the Kumasi, and you Roman Pentecost, a deep for the Kumasi. Many software may bet I saw the Wakra first.
Sure.
And Sanamisa could be a branch or tema.
Yeah.
What about investigation? A diff will come as a prophet if only woke Masano. Mini or so for me by a craft first, Metia Solid. Sanamico be a branch or tema. Maybe a anche Sanabi mo started Katachia free from Mewuko. Any or Pam Buomo, any a software can you be ba a crat, a biba. To be bedu a craft of Lono. Kum chacha, any computer mine. Eba me ho Satan me wo soro ha ebe welcome me say you are welcome because omo ka chem som de omo te akra ha ti ma beto omo wa ha ti se me ma ba omo so beto omo okumase no omo so ko bi e branch okumase me ko tema ena badu ko bi welcome me so no de wo sako mono to wo welcome me say ma ba tema sana me de transfer ko Cape Coast Takrade Suedro Akosomo me de bie branches but me start say me bie branch and asofo bebre na free Kumase Abebia sorry wakra any tema any branches. I let like I make us me more pressure.
Yeah.
Ghana.
Jamaica no when atimase.
Yeah.
Me ya dia mani be den.
Ebeje.
Me ya dia be bua me ba me nko ya dia me mo bi pressure.
Yeah be.
Eti wo se obi ye wedding, wo se obi ye wedding, and so obi wale and obi e to the bedi and say mo se obi ye bibia. Mama kwa kase ye asimesi tire nipa kwa no oye ana wo mo bi pressure when the betima mo bi pressure e wo wi ase ha me tie obi betima ma me pressure me tie obi a me wo efie mako 30
Ghana, that is in Ghana.
Baby, Ghana. America de no ne Dubai de ne Germany, Spain, London, the end count.
Yo.
Ghana,
now.
I know the other Namonka said, I know the member will be pressure.
Yeah.
She a fear see a solid opposite.
Oh.
Munche fear see a solid opposite. And your 165 bedrooms. 165 bedrooms.
Yes. Yes.
165 bedrooms.
Yes.
And then they are solid opposite.
Yeah.
1 month year.
Yeah.
1 month year, and I'm saying they man rent. Me say rent in the crown, me pay 1 year pay. Me catch a contact to see that say me the man rent. Room will be our meter. Any room be our the best. Will be our meter. Will be a maji will be a meter man. And a massa ko yisi jakwaji transformer ke see the yesi ho. I supply if you on 165 rooms no. Omo ko isu omo transformer. Mun ko low current. Ah chere say transformer no kwa I think say me turn say kra.
Hey,
em say
800 million.
800 billion.
Yeah.
Any man wo mo.
Yeah.
Say mun kwa mo say be manya special 1 month pepe and me twa to mu say dan no me say me penti. Mu na mo ntwa ma me penti nwie. Omo te dan the price no. Omo so ma me penti. Omo ma me penti. Omo je dan ni nyina. Within 1 month pe na agent na jisika ni nyina breme. Me say enre ya akra me say me fa dan no wa. Omo bobo DSTV wo ho bebre. Say funti Nigeria for na beje.
Yeah. A short to cry.
They say dan na yema.
Yeah.
Emma omo busa me say me sa wo fie ni bi wa akra ha na. Na me say me obi wa ha so me mfa mamo.
Yeah.
Me wo efie mako sen 30 me fie na mesisi no enye 5 bedroom ni bi o me de na enye 5 bedroom 6 bedroom me sa wo abrosan a eno so enye 48 bedrooms mako 4 e wo Kumasi am de nyina so ama rent.
Yeah.
Enu mi ntwa ma TV so na me mfa ma baby me de ama rent enye guest house onye hotel enye rent. Me ya dia be bua me enye se me mo obi pressure
Gabi.
eti anu se me kote se obi se me mo obi pressure me ka se masa me ye dia be bua me nya obi na me ma ne pressure trobu ha no obi mo obi pressure o
Gabi.
ti mo aya mo ba bonti a mo kasa no aya mo nsuo nyansa na mo pentokwa dodo sabi mo nya jimi sem no o mo nsem so agyae makoto me dai wa America sabi me kwa America me amere me na menye me sika na me de be ye me pa eno ye pressure
Gabi.
Stone boy na dia yes o ma Shatawale pressure. Shatawale so na dia yes o ma Stone boy pressure. Ano say ade na beto mu da ben. Senya me na metu ase a ebekeka akosa na obi di bia beye wo.
Sir.
Ubo wo na obi wale na obi abefro say wadam for na wale wo ma pressure. Pressure free hin. From wo ha na beto ma obi pressure. Me be me TV station and go be bebre bia bi no mabeka say pressure. Me ba temane akra no. A ngofo bebre nso ababi no. E pressure am de ma wo.
Obi
Aye de nani be den.
Ebeje. Yeah.
Ete wu yo obi na wo na wo yo obi bi wo a wo yo obi na wo yo obi bi na hye otirim say me ye bibi because of obi a ebe hawa because obi adwi ni wo so
Dabi kra.
Bien chaud.
wo say
Bien chaud.
hwe me see asole dan we mo hwe me wa me see akra asole dan we ye no na overflow we wo be bia overflow no mo hwe overflow to ani hwe overflow wo nipa na overflow me see Akra solid that here na overflow we na nipa ne te no na obi a wo ba akra solid bia nim say me see that way na overflow dan me nya den
Umma hu kra.
satam na ye canopy na wo ho
Sir.
enu achi na me bo apata
Yeah.
mukaya
Yeah.
ye sha apata ni mu sa so na me wo dan we mu later na me hu say me wa asase we wo ho a meti me bubu apata no na me si dan dia ye den
Aka ho.
Ba ye wa sofo bebre wo Ghana ni wiase a apart from na so ne dan no overflow gu abonten
Sir.
Woko South Africa ne London ni America ne Germany ni Europe ni America ene Nigeria ne Ghana ha asofo bebre overflow gu abonten mi hu ye kwa me hu be 20 me hu be fi Jeremiah sole TB Joshua sole me hu bebre omugu canopy ase bebre Suleiman kra me hu bi
Gela.
Ghana me hu bebre onipa me hu se wa hye sit dan for overflow eye shepherd bushili
Yes.
and we see overflow dan because we get enough land
Yeah.
me should be see dan no ma say enough land and me see me overflow dan e to overflow fo nie say dan ni ha ka bu nyina mo be kwa bonta akotena canopy ase
Yeah.
and me here because of me e be bo mani beje
Sir.
wuti Ghana ni kromu ani wiase a yaade e be ma woni aye den
Aje.
me nye se me kwa yaade a e be ha obi na nipa na se be no won hu kura won hwew na adwi ni wo so me sisi dan wa Accra ha no ana mo nka se me man for pressure wa Accra Mwa na moto pressure ma mo na munya na mo be wanhwa wuntimi na anadwo
Yeah.
wa na moto pressure ma ho
Sir.
se mo anya ya be hawo
Yeah. They won't tell.
me bie wo so wate
Amen.
Erade mo a
Amen.
no nya de opema wo
Amen.
and last week na me ka me ye all night na me se me blue and white na me ka no wa se efie kura me koto ni Spain and say ka me nto me se ka me nto fie ni da eye me am second born e ka kire me say dada me pe Spain country na work we as na bloche country also but me am second born so pe hen
Spain.
and me first put me first born so pe junior
UK, oh.
waka kire wo
Yeah.
also pe hen
Also per UK.
UK and
UK,
prophetess Mercy Kreka but second born no there chinchi na so Spain wo pe and am say there no wu ni Spain no say Mercy wo ho Mercy bobo wo ho
Yeah.
Cristiano Ronaldo bobo wo ho
Yeah.
to person no so kotra ho
Yeah.
no no so achieve ni vision
Yeah.
ni vision ye men kabatu ye nyansani a obete de meka nansa
Sir, that's
Sabe
it.
pepe.
and am dia kola na ko akora ye ko ya onye people de be bobo because Spain ye bobo e was say me to fianza makoti sika 500,000 euro e ba Ghana ske me bro 30 billion
Hero, yes.
me toy nam say me de akora ni di because akora na say ope ha me mfa ha nya hwe
Yeah.
me ko Spain kura ni 2 weeks da
Dabi.
me need 10 days da 7 days kwa me ni wo Spain da
Dabi.
match out 2-3 days na me feel na ko country for
Oh,
so
work
kwa
it
ma pa na maba
Yeah.
Ebrebiam kodi 7 days. Me di 3 days was Spain. Na me call Germany. Kwaya me rounds bia wo Germany and person me ya wo Germany for company bi. E na pa me sa ba.
Yeah.
Because Spanish no Spain for Spanish me nya dai.
Onte.
Me ntinti me na mo ma kurase ni.
Yeah.
Wo hia bloni na ka blofo a wonte.
Onte.
It is Spain from one year baby and me matana. Obi a what is Spain be anim say Spain. What being crap for school at the blofo said no one should Spain for casa Spanish ultimate na ho.
Sir.
Ultimate who ko bank crap for iska just or Spanish.
Yeah.
I mean, child, no more cramp on all English in the plan or can I gas am. Or English in the plan on can da.
And if you and I call any fear, my touch alcohol, my toddy a charcoal, and say, hey, make my promise. Second ball, Upe people, ya bobo, J. You told fear and be a marcolan. If you be Palmianto, and might be Palmianto.
But don't say friends, eh?
Palmianto,
Palme.
oh, free home. And if your friend be so near, if you Palmianto near no, media marcolano. It's your mother should be a colana tea, bibia, and now me change your quack 10 years in the ocean to make your money do. Bear 14 years. And I know Mammy Florence say, Florence will be him say, and as I had if you know so, Emma Colano, one shall be a 5 bedroom, 5. It may Florence and make what time about second born chain. Now my shall Colano people will be sure Spain for Casa.
Yeah.
They say, Okoye, Echo 10 months, 1 year. They say, a Colano, the way me ba second born is cast Spanish for Casa.
Wow. Wow.
Wa picking them. Ono mo dey see ani.
So I don't know how to pay.
It I am there. They say kwa say me call ho na me call baby a. Me ba na de me call.
Yeah.
Translate.
Translate.
Promise. What me sua ka say. O ma me ko to ade kura na. Akola no na di animu.
Wow.
First so ye kwa ye fa ga na ni na o kasa man ya fa translator.
Yeah.
Eti Florence say any base 2 years there. Na akola no wa ye Watin wasaba ne Ghana better ne Ghana ayene wabene ne words of wisdom teachings and aware wabeto aso.
Okay.
Ebedru na akura na asua kasa no.
Baby.
Eti akura ne nya 14 years ne ya transfer dey. Aba ne din mu.
Yeah.
Eti from 14 years iko no akura no nko betima fafie no.
Yeah.
14 years dey no ne mmrofo no dey ayede.
E dey see ani.
Na me achira.
Mo ayedu.
Eno Florence kotena broche se wo hwe ne ba. Eno so bue.
Wey, yenti bi da. Yenti bi da.
Kromu hasem. Ebi mo nwene wo mo ho.
Gabi.
Wani bremi abefa me. Wani bremi abefa me.
Fame. The minimum.
Ewurade ma wo de wani beche wate.
Amen.
Minimade bi tese mahede hu se minimade e wo me ho a anade bi e wo me mu a. Hwe I say mansam to ho a enkofo pente ma widi akohwe video no.
Yeah.
Wo se wo mpe mansam but wani gye me nsam ho.
Sir.
Obi o se me mpe obi ni ma se ba mani gye ne nsam ho.
Yeah.
Obi a wo mpe na nsam wani timi gye ne nsam ho sa.
Nipa mama ho ahi.
Ade bol ma ye ya me kan kire wa. Obi be set confusion ato no nu yantem.
Yeah.
Na eja ba montem so na emfiri awurade.
Yeah.
Etelwade nya de bema wani agye ema wate.
Amen.
Solicas I receive my blessings
I receive my presence.
in Jesus Christ's name.
Amen. Yo, listen. Opinion are like noses. Opinion are like noses. Everybody has one. So everybody can express his or opinion at any point in time. And the moment somebody expresses his opinion, it's just one. The person can say good thing or bad thing about, but it's one opinion that the person has expressed. And you also has got one opinion. You can also express it. So please don't be hurt about the opinion that that person has expressed.
Me catch am say me here fasting how many weeks in? Say
2 weeks.
say mon kasa me te say
2 weeks.
say na me catch am
2 weeks.
ma start here fasting 2 weeks. Na sabi case bi akura magana ha.
Yeah.
Would you be gate anu am trouble I'm praying. Me
Yeah.
said them na me here fasting sa na me bompae. Because of my hood, you Satan, person who I am.
Yeah.
Because I rather be a man, man, Lucifer, Satan, catch them and say, Obi ni mu ji ni perfect problems in the near bremeso.
Yeah.
And the Jesus catch them and say, me mom pie. Na Satan ya bre. Te me near bra mini Satan, this year, near mammy, what any women to phone, I home a yet more okotum. Me ya fasting. And no fasting cry me ya crebe you be a malakas will be in Muswati.
Oh.
And me body near your body.
Eh?
Hey, me fasting, so when you bring me fasting, I may. And the quadro be to the penny breme.
Oh.
Fasting, I can me, yeah.
Eh?
Eti kaminga fasting on anka. Mindi diana de Satan, person or yammy man, so the man on Yamiana. Me catch the Satan in the agent to say, would Tibinga man, so the man will be the Babushi and da. Eti wa wo hwe me a wo ye obi ni fans wa wo dem ha wo ti na me ya fasting no owo bi ata wo so me twa owo ni me twa owo ni me twa owo ni me twa yariam me twa wo hiam me twa wo chiram me twa ni gwasiem me ko so ya fasting the yesu moja bo ho ban.
Amen.
Me ya fasting na ma asole ma said you say to a person who have master man fasting when they bring me fasting. Me the mini Satan ebo match to me Lucifer Satan ya many master ba. They ready be ya che me be am fasting.
That's right.
Fasting me ya no 1 month. Ti me wie.
Yeah.
Me wie next week. Ti me go so ya me fasting. Wow, what support to say me fasting ne ma wono stand up and shall be. Kasa angel obini.
Angel obini.
Cause why you fasting in my
Cause na you fasting in my
na fight in my
na fight in my.
Thank you.
Thank you too. Yes. So, as I was saying, I'm saying opinions are like noses. Everybody has got one. So the moment somebody expresses his or her opinion, whether good or bad about you, please don't get hurt. You can also express your opinion. After all, it's one. I, Angelo Binim, I'm always with this philosophy. I make sure I do what will please me, not because of anybody. I have acquired a lot of properties outside in Dubai, America, Germany, UK, and then Spain. I acquired this property not because of anybody, but just to make me very happy. That is all. That is all. Not into any competition with anybody, or not to put pressure on anybody, just to make me happy. It's as simple as that. I, Angelo Binim, I was the first person, I'm using the word was, the first pastor in Ghana who opened TV station. Throughout, the facts are there. You can go and then verify, they are there. When I finished, other pastors also followed suit. Zoe, he followed. Papa Duncan, he also opened. And then my father, Ajanasari, these people also followed. And today, I won't count less than 40 pastors in Ghana who have opened TV stations. Doesn't mean I enjoy him. I was putting pressure on anybody. No, no. I established these TV stations just to make me happy. And that is all. That is all. I, Angelo Binim, I was the first person who was the pastor in Kumasi who came to Accra here to open or to establish a church. First, I established a church in Accra here, and then later on, I went to Tema. And then when I went to Accra, Prophet Kumchacha saw me, Computer Man saw me and said, "Oh, our brother, you are welcome. You are welcome back to Accra. We are here, and since you've come to establish a church, we are also with you." So they came to, greet me, and they took me as their brother. And then I went to Tema. Prophet Bedu Kobi also came there and then welcomed me and said, "Oh, my brother, Tema, the situation is so tense that if you are able to establish a church and you are able to resist against all forces, then any part in Ghana that you will go, you'll be able to live, you'll be able to stay." What does it mean? Does it mean I established these churches because of anybody? Then later on, some pastors in Kumasi also came to establish churches in Kumasi here. I can make mention of Opambuo, he came, my brother, my big brother, he came to establish a church, and other pastors also. Obotio,
Katechia free famo.
Katechia free in blessed memory. They also came here. Good. To establish church. Does it mean I Angelo Binim because I established a church, because I opened a radio TV station, that I was giving pressure to somebody? No. I did this just to make me happy. So all that I'm saying is that people who have low level of understanding, people who have low level of wisdom, they are the very people who sometimes sit down and then criticize without any cause. Without any cause. But you are being a sensible person. Anytime somebody is criticizing, just sit down the person, sit him or her down, and then tell him the essence of that. Tell that person that, oh, Angelo Binim did this, and I'm also did this to make me happy, and I'm not in contention with anybody, not that I'm in contest with anybody or in competition with anybody. Please, sit these people down and then explain to them. Take them to school, school them, because in Ghana here, a lot of people have got low level of understanding, low level of wisdom. So anything that they hear, they won't sit down to analyze it critically, to see the pros and cons. They say it at anyhow. So please, I'm saying that I, Angelo Binim, I'm doing anything that I'll be doing to make me happy, not with a mind that I'm entering into a competition with anybody or I'm putting pressure with anybody. So if you are there and be behind the scene, if you feel that you are putting pressure on yourself, then it's your own cup of tea. I am not putting any pressure on you. But if you know that you are also putting pressure on yourself, then it's your own cup of tea. I, Angelo Binim, I'm making sure I'll do anything that will make me very happy. As of now, Angelo Binim, as I'm sitting here, I have a lot of money. So anything that I feel like doing, I can do it with cheeky ease. Does it mean I'm putting pressure on somebody? No. I'm doing anything. I'm doing things that will make me happy. So anything that I feel like doing, I can do it, and not with a mind of putting any pressure on anybody or entering into a competition with anybody. I'm free. I'm always happy. I don't think about anybody. So if you are there and you are thinking about me, it's your own cup of tea. I, Angelo Binim, I'm saying I'm doing anything that will make me very happy. Angela, I want Doctor to continue. Right, Doc.
Yes, also, among all my children, each of them has told me the country in which he wants to live. My eldest son has told me, Daddy, I only want to live in UK. But I have told him that now you are in your junior high school. When you complete, as it's your wish to continue in UK, I will let you go to UK, then you continue your senior high school, and better still, your university there. They have told me what they want, and I will do it for them because I'm capable of doing it for them. Does it mean I'm putting pressure on somebody? Not that. My second born told me that, Daddy, I have this ambition to become this person in future, so I want to live in Spain. I realized that my son's ambition has to come to pass, so I just went to Spain. But they told me that this little boy can't live in Spain alone. I have to buy a house so that he can live in the house for him to get a valid document. He's very young. I had to let the mother go and live with him so that at some point of some age, they can transfer everything into his name. Does it mean I'm putting pressure on somebody? No. I do think that will make me happy. I do think that will make me happy. If I buy a car, I am not buying a car because of somebody.
If you spend year now, me turn last year.
Yes. The house I even bought for my son in Spain, it's almost a year I bought the house. Doesn't mean I'm putting pressure on somebody. No. That is the happiness of my son. So I am doing it for his happiness.
Because Florence could have called 10 months.
Okay. Because my wife, Mrs. Florence Obinim, when she went to Spain, it's about 10 months now. Okay. Okay.
And I got the Nibia, cotton on midi finish and as a one shot colana. Na me messiah fast buy.
Okay.
And I mean, a quadje besa. Say it if you know me dimu. And I may make quadje besa, ma may and I make it coy.
Powerful.
And I got an insunia quite cotton if you in Juma.
Powerful.
It's a Colancas and a Colano, the Okoy 1 year.
Okay.
A Colancas a 1 year.
Okay.
But Florence, the Okoy 10 months.
10 months.
And no, Kofi Anna, yaunti na me koto fie no.
Never.
Akola se me nto ade no makoto ama na. Eno begia ma ho se eye ya bi nti na me ma ne pressure.
Never.
Hwehwenim bia eti kromu ha.
Ah.
Bonse ma Yehowa.
Ah. Clap, clap, clap. Yes. So my son.
Kromu ha for pentokwa dodo.
Ah. This country, almost all the time, what they want is fight, fight, fight. Friction, tension among people. Because my son and I went to Spain and I bought the house. So about 2 or 3 months later, then I came for my wife to get a visa for her to also go to Spain. So when my wife went to Spain, it's about 10 months now, but my son and myself, we went there about a year now. Doesn't mean I'm giving pressure to somebody. No, that is what my son likes. That is what my son wants. So I bought it for my son to make him happy so that I can also get a peace of mind. Because almost all the time, if I don't do that for my son, he will be pressurizing me, Daddy, do this for me, do that for me. Because I didn't want any pressure from my son. That is why I did that for him. Doesn't mean I'm giving somebody pressure. No, I am not giving anybody pressure. I am doing something that will make me happy, my wife happy, and my children happy. Any car of my choice I buy is not to give anybody pressure. To make myself happy. Any country I will travel to, it's not to give anybody pressure, but rather to make myself happy. You that you are watching me. Doesn't mean if I work money for you, I'm giving your enemies pressure. No, I am giving you the money. I am giving you the child. I am working traveling doors for you. I am working your marriage doors for you. I am working your promotion, your citizenship card, your green card for you, so that you will be happy and not to give anybody pressure. So please, I want to inculcate this into your mind that whatever I and Julobini Mawakwai, I am not doing it to give anybody pressure. I am doing it unto myself for my happiness and not to pressurize anybody. Someone may ask, aside these 30 houses you have, your estates are not even part. What are you using it for? Yes, I know that when Jesus Christ comes, we will leave everything here. But do you know the other expenses I do? Go and pay your school fees with this money, take your rent, use this money to work, use this money to buy a car so that you can feed your family, take this money, this, that, checks. Yes, I give out a lot of money. So these offerings are very pure. It's very small. So if I say that I'm basing on that to even help others, it wouldn't reach anywhere. So I involve into this real estate and these businesses so that when people also come to me to beg money and other things, I can also help them. Why is it that almost all the time people be writing a whole lot of things that, hey, because of pressure, you are doing? No, I don't do that. I don't do anything to give anybody pressure. Please, whatever I do is for the happiness of myself and my family.
It is okay.
Thank you.
Clap.